Hi, I'm Gareth, Product Manager Air Health, and one of the team members that designed and develops the Skye Portable. Thank you for trusting Skye with your air's health. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the unit and helping you set it up. After you've unboxed the product, you can remove your quick start guide, your user manual, the UVC lamp, and the power cord. Please read the user manual and quick start guide. Quick start guide is actually very helpful. We're going to remove the packaging from the filter that's keeping it fresh. First, lay down the unit. Be careful not to place it on its face to scratch your new product. Rotate the base. Remove. You can set that aside. And remove your ProCell filter. Then, take the UVC lamp that you've removed from the packaging, open the box, pull out your lamp, holding the base, and insert into the unit. You should hear a click when it's installed. The next step is taking your unpackaged ProCell filter, holding by the handle, insert into the unit. Take your base again, align the arrows, and twist. Once you've installed the filter and lamp, you can take your power cord, insert the power cord into the back of the unit. So, take the cable, put it through the tunnel, wrap it around the base to keep it tidy, and then feed it back through the tunnel. Set your Skye unit back up, and you're ready to plug it in. We recommend placing the unit away from the walls and other objects that may block the airflow into the unit, as well as any objects that may block the air coming out of the unit. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you.